come see tell am. He come write am for you word for YouTube say, rest in peace, my lovely daddy. So now our sister Monica, this one will be insult a video. I just hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only the DJ. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My ogbonge people, today topic I want really get this our great chief we meme for Nigeria, Chief Eduwiofu. May also rest in perfect peace, because that man na person when I know and our area that I stayed that time, Bubai, you know, I really like when I hear the shock, when I hear the thing shockalize me, like seriously. I know so nobody wanna go die one day. So when I just hear I say no, I must come wish this our daddy rest in peace. Rest in peace, our great daddy, our chief, you know. When this Chief Eduwiofu die, I can't hear so many things for social media. So many people they wish I'm lovely daddy, rest in peace, lovely daddy, rest in peace, you know. So and I'm waiting everybody supposed to do. Even though when they grow, they come that time, and they see a way that they talk say I wake you more, you know, they do enemy for person. If maybe you get enemy with a person now, then if that person born pikin, so everybody will come go congratulate that person, even though na your enemy self, you congratulate them. And so me I tell no that time. Then if somebody sick meme, you see go tell am rest in peace, even though na your enemy, you know. So everybody come dey do am. They come dey tell this our daddy rest in peace. He was a nice man. He was this, you know. Everybody come dey tell am rest in peace. So now this our sister Iyore come see tell am. She come write am for you word for YouTube say, rest in peace, my lovely daddy. So now our sister Monica, this one will be insult a video. I just want to with because of the issue where they happen. Now make I want just shook my put a question. Now she say she ask. So now this our Iyore, she can't tell he can't put on for YouTube the picture say, lovely daddy rest in peace. You can't do one like that. So now Monica say he can see her for Iyore platform. See her, he can shock her life. Then he can see her too. Social media presidency put the same thing for a war. So now she can say in the surprise for this chief. I be the chief now. He relate to Iyore, so the thing can be surprise and when he see him. Now he can go back again. He can see him for Iyore. Say, and I say chief, why Iyore go put him? Iyore will be over bar. You can put this kind of thing for a platform. I will say this man, now he brother be waiting. I be now those ones they stand for a back that time. Now what did she talk? You know, and a very good question that she asked. So, like, the thing, it can't surprise me. The one will surprise me be say, anybody if you post person picture with up me, anybody if you post them, you already get right to post any picture where you want post. She don't already do what she do. They don't already say they don't swear. Wanna wait with this swear kill them? Wanna wait? I'm very this thing a very simple something though. Wanna wait me this way kill him now. You only give the man the last respect. If it be say they close to the man where the man they are alive. So she get right for her to quick post the picture like that. That be say she really know she Eduwiofu, because nobody will not know Chief Edubiofo na very nice chief, very nice man. Me, I know am well. Now our area na stay. So I get right to come out to come give him the last respect. To come give him the last respect. I know the man well. I know all the children, all the Adesuwa, all of them, I know them. So that untouchable mama come out, begin to talk, say why they go post, why they go use the uncle they do saga, you know. Say he begin to shout for a platform there, they shout, they play a lot of video, they shout. Ah, now everybody come they surprise. Say, what did they make you they shout? They cry. Instead when you just go straight to the point, talk with you want talk. She just they cry there, they shout, they say now so why Monica will go do that kind of thing, why Lolo go do this kind of thing, you know. The thing come they surprise me like seriously. I come they surprise say what you come they cause all those things now? Anybody get right to post what you want put for a platform, you know? Everybody get right. And for me, you don't get right to which person will don't me. You get right to tell and say rest in peace now. I don't understand. All of them when they say Ogunyoba so Oba na he go talk am if this person na Ogunyoba. And they may believe say Iyore now, he don't they regret many things which she don't do. She don't they regret am for inside body. I don't know what she they pass through for inside body. Now this say easy. Ever since she not gonna talk again, she not even throw mat again, go palace ever since. She not do am again. Now only the other guy, and I don't want use the doing you. She at least she does see cool down small. So you know, she not gonna talk again ever since she already realized whether she do, she not do and where, you know. So I beg, we will take this Ogunyoba things, we will take am easy. If this one talk Ogunyoba, this one talk Ogunyoba, and everybody be Ogunyoba. Why we take it easy, you know? Everybody awa Ogunyoba, the one not behind the lele kwero. So why we take it easy? Okwe Ogunyoba, oh no, Ogunyoba, Oba na all everybody, papa. Everybody, papa, now Oba be. Everybody, papa. Oba na our papa. Oba na everybody, not get the one way be enemy at all of us na he pikin. All of us na he pikin. So me we take this thing, me we take am easy. Person would up me. We supposed to give am the last respect now. Rest in peace. Not be this saga things. Not be this saga things we going to do. Me we take am easy, I beg. Me come beg all the presenters. We not take am easy. Nigerians they wash us. Everybody they wash us. We not the shame. Okwe saga everywhere. We not take am easy. We not take am easy. We see for that now our sister CB. If it be me tomorrow now, nobody go see they happy. You know, if they dance now, somebody pay me. No, it must still pay you. It must still pay you. No matter what, say you they get quarrel with somebody now. You just feel say that person pay me tomorrow, now not go pay you. It go still pay you. It go still pay you. Now so it be. So me we take this Ogunyoba things easy, I beg. Anybody will just talk Ogunyoba. Everybody could just be Ogunyoba. Why we take it easy? Wala wo. Imeredo imia. Imaredo we saga. Because he we saga be platform. But me wa very way at least. Nibe guayo. So wagabe take it easy. Wala wo. Imedo imia. So I'm not woo a shifi no. A shifi na wa ebe do. A shifi no le lo bale le ya. Real chief na it be. So at least we're supposed to give him the last respect, Chief Edubiofo no vie hato. Nobody will know one. Very fine and nice man. Good art man, you know. He just made me so at least this time we're supposed to give him rest in peace. Even though na enemy. Say if he hear him, say he must still go give him rest in peace. Talk less of say I beg. I'm not take him easy. Iyore almost there. She don't already do what she should do. At least she still come at and see beg. She go still go palace, go do the meeting. So I she not deny what she do. If you still go there, they will still tell her make you know when you want to make you do everything what she want to do. And so it be. So I beg our presenters, I beg we come beg now. So I not be quarrel something. I beg. So I believe say what everybody go say learn, I beg. we will not dey do this saga again. Okwe saga everywhere. Social media just carry fire because of this thing wey Monica talk. Social media on mwere. Wagabe take care easy wala wo. Wagabe take care easy. Wagabe take care easy wala wo. So my people, now the matter wey dey grant na be this one. So thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.